Lots of words to help you describe this one. Ready? Okay. We want to determine the equation, but remember, what is the vertex form? This guy I've written out about 6 or 7 times already. Y equals to A, x minus p squared plus q. If you can identify your A, P, and Q, all you got to do is substitute it into this equation. It becomes real simple, doesn't it? Okay, so here's our original graph. Y equals to x squared. Here's the description. We're going to stretch it vertically by a factor of 2. What does that mean? That's your A value. A equals to 2. Got it? Then we're going to translate this 4 units to the right. Well, that's a horizontal translation. So that means your P value, that's your horizontal because it's with the X. X means horizontally, okay? 4 units right. So to the right is positive. Notice it says nothing about the Q value. So guess what? Your Q value is in fact 0. So now all you got to do is punch it into this wonderful little formula. Y equals to A is 2. There it is. X minus P. P is in fact 4 squared and Q is in fact 0. Now clean it up. Y equals to 2. X minus 4 squared. Don't have to put the 0. There's your formula. Isn't that cool? Okay, so with that in mind then, let's do the next one, which is going to be a little bit more technical. Check this guy. Okay, and again, identify your A, P, and Q, and you won't have a problem. Okay, so first off, this is reflected. So if it's reflected, A is going to be a negative. Then it's going to be stretched by a factor of 1/5. So your A is going to be 1/5. There's your stretch factor. Put these guys together, negative 1/5. There's your actual A value. Got it? Then you're going to translate this. Now you're going to go, left. So your P is going to be negative 8. And look at this. Oh, there's your Q. Your Q is going to be up 2. Perfect. So that's a positive 2. All right, let's just throw it into the formula and see what happens. Y equals to A value, negative 1/5. X minus. Your P value is a negative 8. So notice how I like to use brackets when I substitute things in. I always use brackets so you can actually see the negative negative. Plus the Q. There's the 2. Got it? Clean it up. Y equals to negative 1/5. X, there's a minus minus, making this a plus 8 squared plus 2. Ta-da! There's your vertex formula of that particular transformation.